Welcome guys, today I'll take you through the zoom magic trick in PowerPoint. My name is Gabriel. I was asked the best car for a manager, and this is how my slide looked like. It is the Toyota Rush, 1.5 engine, the push starts, the reverse camera, it's a 7-seater capacity. It's a good car made for all the weathers in Ghana. The interior, the exterior. Let's check the exterior details. It has its own rear camera, the rear spoiler, the rear window wiper, and that is so comforting enough. But if you focus on the interior, that even gives you that comfort for a senior manager. The leather steering wheel, the high-grade family seat, the sun visor with mirror, that is so amazing. And not only that, there's also a test drive. Just visit ToyotaGhana.com. Do you know all that was made in PowerPoint? Let me take you through a simple way of how I did this on one of my slides. I just have one blank slide. I'm just trying to pick pictures, 1 or 2 pictures from there so we can start and do a new one in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm just copying the car and I paste it. So I'll try and duplicate the slide so that I have like 2 slides. Let me just delete one of the images so I have like a small car on one slide and a bigger car on another slide. That will help in the zooming effect of PowerPoint. So I increase the size to make sure it is big enough. Then I come to the smaller one, and all I have to do is to go to insert. Under insert, you would see there is a zoom there, and that zoom, you select the zoom slide. So you can select the slide that you want to zoom to, and now I'm choosing slide 8, which is where the bigger car is. Obviously, a picture will be inserted here. So the trick, this is where the secret trick is. Try and change the image of the new slide picture that has been inserted and replace it with the old smaller one. Then I can take up the old picture. Bingo. Bingo. And that is it. So I try and make sure I choose my return to zoom, and you know the effects later. And as I click on the smaller one, the bigger one open. Simple as that. For more on PowerPoint, DM me and we can take it up from there. See you in our next class. My name is